This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So I've been rocking my first ever full set of gel nails. I got these done in episode 2 of the Nail Tech Tour, which is coming soon. But it has been some time. It's time for me to take these off. Your girl's a nail blogger and got to get back to getting these videos pumped out, okay? So today I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to remove these gel nails at home. But first, yes, your girl has finally gotten the Valentino Beauty Pure Nail Dust Collector. Oh my God, you guys, this has been something I've wanted for so long. Luckily they were having a bundle, so I got 6 free filters, and then it comes with a filter, so I have 7 filters. And yeah, this is how it comes packaged, and oh my God, I cannot believe it. All right, so this is the little insert that tells you how to set everything up. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I really do like how they break everything down, give you all the information you need, nice, quickly, and easy, so you can get this baby to work. It does come with this protective film over the V grade, and man, this was so difficult to get off. I really had to work at it, but as you can see, it does cover that stainless steel shiny grate. Alright, sorry guys, but this baby deserved a solo, okay? Alright, so once you lift out the silver plate, you expose the fan. So this is where that powerful fan is. And this is how you get to the filter. You just slide that grate off, and the filter sits inside of this metal frame here. So this filter is very, very well made. It is a microcarbon filter, so it not only helps with the nail dust, but it does help with the odor from the monomer as well. So that is one of the reasons why I really wanted to get this, because your girl is starting to get tired of the acrylic smell in her house, okay? So that is how you snap that back in. It just sits right in there, nice and snug. And now I'm going to cut this on so you guys can see how loud it is. Alright, so now to put this baby to work, I am going to remove these nails. These are hard gel nails. I believe the brand we used was Light Elegance. So this does not soak off, so I have to file them off. But first I'm going to snip off the length. And once I got all that off, I'm taking my coarse ceramic bit and I'm just going to work this product off. Like I stated, this is a hard gel, so it does not soak off. It has to be filed off. So you just want to be gentle. You don't want to put too much pressure. You don't want your drill to be in one spot too long because it can cause burning. And I just want to show how powerful this nail dust collector is. So I did switch over to my medium grit safety bit. For some reason, I just couldn't really get the product down with that ceramic bit that I was using. So I switched over to this one. As you can see, there is a trail of dust that is being powerfully sucked into this filter. Like, it grabs everything, even the little dust flurries that was like floating in the air. It just all was just like So I am very, very pleased. One thing about doing nails a lot is the dust. It gets so annoying. So I'm not gonna lie, the nail dust collector that I used before, it did work. There was nothing wrong with it. People were asking me questions on Instagram about comparing the two, and honestly, there is no comparison. Like, that one was $35 and this one was like $400, so you do the math. I would say that this one gets rid of all of the dust. Like, there is no pushback, there's no like spots where it doesn't suck or where, you know, it's not big enough and so you have still dust on your shirt or something like that. Like, there's no dust anywhere. You know, it does get on your fingers and all, but that is it. I'm still not confident with filing like directly on my nail bed. So what I do is just file this product down as thinly as I'm comfortable with. And then I go in with my hand file. And this is a 100/180 grit nail file. This one's by ASP. You guys know that I love the Beauty Secrets nail files, but they have been like on back order, so I haven't been able to get any. Anyway, I just use this hand file to lightly take off the rest of that product, making sure to not be too rough because I am very close to my natural nail and I don't want to cause any damage or anything like that, so always be gentle. I was dreading taking these off because I'm new to hard gel, so I wasn't sure how much filing I would have to do, but these filed just as easily as poly gel. It just came right off. It was very soft to file, so that is good to know. Alright, so this is after all of the product is off, and now I'm going in with this fine buffing block, and I'm just going to buff my nails, getting rid of all of those scratches. So after all of the filing is done, it is recommended that you empty your filter after each client or after each filing. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm just going to show you guys how much dust that it picked up. So this is what 5 fingers of gel nails look like in dust form. Alright, so after washing my hands, I'm applying cuticle oil. And that is how I remove my hard gel nails at home. I hope this video was helpful.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.